Hello, my name is Mike. I'm the owner of BestRugPrices.com, and today I'm doing a little video to help promote our website and to tell you a little bit about what we do. What you're looking at on the screen is the front page of our Be Floored blog, and as you can probably guess by the name of the blog, we write articles about floor covering. We do product review articles. We have articles on cleaning and maintenance tips. We have articles on warranty information, on budgeting. If you have a future floor covering project coming up, we teach you how to put a budget together. And then we also do articles to teach people our secret strategy on how you can go to your local store and buy floor covering at the right price. And that's kind of what I want to talk about in this video a little bit. In our most recent blog post called Be Floored, the first part of this article is talking about our strategy. And there's a right way to buy floor covering and there's a wrong way. And most people buy floor covering the wrong way, and they end up spending hundreds, if not thousands of dollars more than what they need to. Well, in this article, as I scroll down here, we talk about developing a shopping plan. And as I scroll down here, we outline everything you need to do. We have a video as well that you need to do to get the best possible price. And believe me, we've been in the flooring business for a long, long time, and this absolutely works and will save you a ton of money. So I'm going to put the link to this article in the description box below this video. So I highly encourage you to check it out. And let me go back to the first screen here so you know where to go. But we are at bestrugprices.com, and our blog is called the Be Floored blog, and it's this article right here called Be Floored, and it's got all of the information in it that you possibly need to buy floor covering the right way, and that's going to save you all kind of time and money. So we'd love for you to come visit our site. Everything is completely free, and check out this article and leave a comment or two and let us know what you think. Thanks.